Hello. Today we'll learn how to add a quiz into your presentation using the tool Unni.ai. As you can see, I've already created my presentation using the platform, and you can check the video on our channel here. To add the quiz is very simple. You can see here down below we have this button Add Quiz where you can click it, and you will have this pop-up where you can add an automatically added quiz. So you can choose the number of questions. Let's go with 2. And you can add score slide at the end and revocation slide when answer is incorrect. I'm gonna keep this 2 marked up because I want my quiz to be very complete, but you can also unselect it if you don't desire it to be in your presentation. So let's generate it. It takes only a couple of seconds. As you can see, our quiz was generated very quickly. And first, let's check if the AI generated the quiz according to what my presentation said. So my presentation was on a travel guide to Lima, Peru. So here we can check the questions and the answers. And as I'm seeing, it created a presentation according to what my presentation is. As you can see here, we have this blank image prompt ready. So let's generate an image. I can just click here and it will generate an image according to my prompt. You can also write your own prompt. Okay, so after 30 seconds, we have our image here. Then I want to check if it's according to my question. So the question it generated about Lima is which district is recommended for its artistic vibe and indie boutiques? And the image shows a street with some boutiques. So I'm happy with this result. Click close and do the same thing for the next question. So first, let's review the question. The question is, when is the best time to visit Lima for sunshine and cool skies? This is according to the presentation, and I want to generate an image. The AI already has a prompt here, but again, you can write your own prompt. So let's generate it. Again, after 30 seconds, we have this beautiful image of sunshine in Lima, and I'm happy with the results, so I'm just gonna close it. As you can see here, we had 2 packs. The first one being if you get the question right, so you go to the next question. If you get the question wrong, you will go to a quick review. But let's see how the results turn out. So, what is very nice about Unni.ai is that if you click play with a selected slide, you can just play from the selected slide. You don't have to start from the beginning. So let's do it. And here we have our quiz added to our presentation. So let's see how it works. So if I click here, this is not the correct answer. So it takes me to a quick review and tells me the right answer. And this, I got it right, so it takes me to my final score. Thank you for watching.